name. There's a place with a Tex-Mex flame. Taco Mi Rey, where the flavors play. José's in the kitchen, cooking all day. Orders con jamón, asada y lechuga. Quesadillas, Golden Street, tacos, pura, magia. José cooks camarones y cocina con arroz. People gather around, hearing all the buzz. Oh, buzz. Viva la fiesta en Taco Mi Rey, with pozole y menudo, come what may. Javier at the bar, serving cervezas cool. Spicy tamarind margaritas, oh so smooth. Playing pool, laughing at the bar, listening to music near and far. Javier at the bar, serving cervezas cool. Spicy tamarind margaritas, oh so smooth. Playing pool, laughing at the bar, listening to music near and far. Javier shakes a cocktail with flair. The night is young, there's magic in the air. José's the maestro, cooking up a storm, with flavors and spices that keep us warm. Yo hago asado, a true delight at Taco Mi Rey.
What's your name?
We dance through the night.
¿Cómo se llama?
Chiles rellenos, enchiladas con mole, flautas crujientes, tamales y guacamole. Javier pours the drinks, his smile so bright. José works hard from morning to night. Viva la fiesta en Taco Mi Rey, with pozole y menudo, come what may. Javier at the bar, serving cervezas cool. Spicy tamarind margaritas, oh so smooth. Immigrants from Mexico chasing dreams, working hard, it's harder than it seems. They bring the culture, their hearts so grand, making Taco Mi Rey the best in the land. In Dallas town, on Lovers